Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sabina and today's video is gonna be all about skin because lately your girl have been using a lot of makeup and my skin literally said Baksh do mujhe. So I went on Wetsia Style and picked up some skincare goodies like Korean skincare goodies straight from Korea. I've kept my skincare routine always very simple and it has worked for me for years, but lately with all that makeup, lights and long hours in front of videos and all that stuff literally showed some signs of stress on my skin and it literally needed a lot of work to be done. I could see dark spots, I could I have pigmentation around my face and my neck and it was like literally giving me stress. I could see random little scars on my face, I could still see them. I had that dark spots and there were very many concerns and my biggest enemy was literally dryness, and in winters, especially in here in US and Canada, it is very dry. So I wanted to think long term and I went with little anti-aging, hydrating, and thinking of all those concerns, I picked some skincare products from Yes Style, and definitely, yes, I definitely did my research for literally a month to understand like what I'm going through. I went through with many reviews about the products I purchased, and then finally I opted for these products. Let's not waste any more time and get into the video. Also, little disclaimer guys, I've been using these products for like 2 to 3 weeks and how they performed for me. So the first thing I've got is the 6 peptide skin booster. It is literally filled with hyaluronic acid, NAG, amino acids, and lots of different like 6 kind of peptides. And this serum works as a prep for your skincare routine. That means when you apply this kind of serum like the booster, so that every skincare product you are using like the serums sinks in. This is very water-like, so this is very water-like. When you see it, the consistency, see, this literally feels like water, but look at that shine and that hydration it gives right after you use it. Even once it is all dried up, it's gonna give you that beautiful skin prep to start with. It's loaded with peptides and it is very helpful to smoothen out your skin texture, very lightweight and very hydrating. If you want your skin to feel like very smooth and like firmness on the skin, this is a good one. So the next thing I got is the Anua 10 plus niacinamide and TXA serum. This is holy grail because because the niacinamide in this literally even outs my skin, and the TXA in this helps to soothe out or lighten the dark spots. If you have skin issues like acne marks or a little dull skin, you're dealing with dull skin, this product is a must have. Like the TXA, it does have niacinamide as in the 10% niacinamide. You can opt for any other brand, same kind of serum, which has like 5% of it. But honestly, this product literally is a must-have for anybody who wants to even out the skin, who wants to reduce the dark spots and whatnot. So the next thing I got is this K Secret Pure 1988 retinol serum. So it's not retinol, it's retinol. It has this retinol liposome 2% and black ginseng. So you know what, I was literally I was low-key scared to introduce to like retinol into my skincare routine, but I've been using this product I think 2 or 3 weeks and I do not use it like daily. Like I do retinol skincare like 2 or 3 days, like 2 or 3 days in a week, but this is so gentle on my skin, it does not irritate, and it is very good for that pigmentation and fine lines. If you're looking for something and you want to get into retinol stuff, I would suggest you to start with this. It is very gentle. So the next thing I got is this Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Probiotic Barrier Essence. So it is also known as Maggoli, if I'm pronouncing it right. This is literally a glass of water, or I would say glass of hydration for your skin. Do you want to like I first of all, I love the packaging. The It feels so luxurious. And do you want to see the texture? It is literally milk in a bottle for your face. It's very soothing, very lightweight, and it just makes my skin feels so happy. Like I can use this as a moisturizer on the days I feel very oily as well, because it has a little thick texture as compared to other milky toners in the market, like Turtle or the Hires one. They are a little on the lightweight side, but this one is little, I would say, thicker side. Like it's little thick, but not that much that you feel like a moisturizer on your face. It is very good for your skin prep. The next thing I got is this Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice and Probiotic SPF 50. This sunscreen is my holy grail. I cannot get enough of this. I think it is my third or fourth tube already. The very first Korean sunscreen I have used is this one. The benefit it has, like I literally get the hype. It does not have any white cast. It is so lightweight, and you can literally skip the moisturizer and use this as your skin prep as well. This is a must. I also got a stick version of this, like a roll-on stick version, just to apply on my makeup face. I just cannot get enough of it. Like this has so many benefits, and everybody knows that sunscreen is a must in any skincare. The next thing I got is this Haru Haru Wonder Centella Phyto and 5 Peptide Concentrate Cream. You've been wondering that I have been using so much peptide, but you know what? What I literally discovered that peptide is the main ingredient or one of a kind serums in the market, which actually helps boost elasticity, reduce fine lines, anti-aging, skin regenerating, elasticity. I think I already said elasticity. So, like everything you need in your face, I think peptide has that, and there are like so many kind of peptides in the market. So I ordered this Haru Haru Wonder Centella Phyto 5 Peptide Concentrate Cream. It's a very long name, so I just say it's the peptide cream. It looks like that, and guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's thick. It is very thick, and my skin drinks this up like a juice. It is thick, but you know what, it is not at all greasy. It is very lightweight. The texture is like any other thick cream you would find in the market, and you know what, it gives my skin that gentle finish, bouncy finish. And I use this moisturizer on the days I do not, as well, like I use this moisturizer on the days where I do not want to do a full skincare routine, and this works wonder. You cannot say that I've not done any skincare routine. Like this is how this product is. That is everything I picked from Yes Style. I didn't go overboard because I still believe that less is more, and I have used these products from like last 2 to 3 weeks, and I have seen some changes. I can see that a little shine, even if I've not done any skincare in the day, or I can see little less, dullness around my face. I see that I have like little increase in elasticity of my skin as well. I'm not saying that it's like 100%. It's gonna be working 100% for you or not. See, skincare is something which is very private, and it also depends on every other skin type. So I would suggest just don't buy anything blindly. So it could be that if anything works for me, it might not work for you, right? So and if you have same issues like me, you can totally opt for these products. These are like very good picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And also do let me know what kind of skincare routines are you on right now, or do you have any suggestions for me to get some Korean products, or do you want a review on some particular products? And if you're using something, let me know in the comment section. We can chat about it. Thank you for watching. Bye.